Right then, team. Are you absolutely fed up with the same old sad, soggy salads? Are you tired of thinking that getting lean means you have to eat bland, boring food forever and ever? I hear you, I really do. You've got a massive to-do list, a calendar that's bursting at the seams, and the last thing you want at the end of a long day is to spend hours in the kitchen cooking something that tastes like cardboard. You're a busy professional, you're smashing it at work, but your energy is dipping, and you just want to feel good in your own skin again. It feels like a massive mountain to climb, doesn't it? But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? Say goodbye to the dull and hello to the delicious. I've got 5 absolute game changers for you. So what's the big secret? It's simple, really. The key to sustainable weight loss and feeling fantastic is eating real food, bursting with color, packed with nutrients, and doesn't come in a packet with a massive list of ingredients you can't even pronounce. We're going to focus on lean proteins, healthy fats, complex carbohydrates, and tons of vibrant veggies. This magic combination keeps you feeling full and satisfied, stops those pesky sugar cravings in their tracks, and gives your body the top quality fuel it needs to burn fat and build lean muscle. It's not rocket science, it's just smart eating. The best part? It's all about speed. As a busy professional, your time is your most precious asset. You can't be slaving away over a hot stove for hours on end. That's why every single one of these meals is designed to be on your plate in 20 minutes or less. Yes, you heard me right. Less time than it takes to scroll through social media or watch an episode of your favorite show. We're talking about quick chopping, fast cooking, and minimal washing up. This is healthy eating that fits seamlessly into your hectic life. Think of your plate as a canvas. The more colors you can get on there, the better. Bright red tomatoes, deep green spinach, vibrant orange sweet potatoes, and sunny yellow peppers. Each color represents different vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that your body is crying out for. Support the immune system, boost your energy levels, and give your skin that healthy glow. Plus, let's be real, colorful food just looks and tastes so much better. This is all about making healthy living a habit that sticks. When the food is delicious and the process is quick, you're so much more likely to keep going. You'll start to feel the benefits almost immediately. More energy in the morning, better focus during the day, and a lighter, happier feeling overall. First up, we have an absolute classic with a lean twist, the speedy veggie and tofu stir-fry. This is my go-to meal when I'm short on time, but need something that's going to fill me up and taste incredible. It's a flavor explosion in a bowl, and you can have it ready faster than you can say I'm hungry. The combination of crunchy veggies, protein-packed tofu, and a zesty sauce is just sensational. It's the perfect post-work meal to refuel your body and get you ready for a relaxing evening. So, what do you need? Let's keep it simple. Grab a block of firm tofu, broccoli, bell peppers, carrots, snap peas, a bit of garlic and ginger, some soy sauce or tamari, a splash of sesame oil, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. The tofu is your lean protein powerhouse. The rainbow of veggies provides amazing vitamins and fiber. This meal is low in carbs but high in satisfaction. First, press the tofu to get rid of any excess water, then chop it into cubes. Get a wok or a large frying pan on high heat with a little coconut or sesame oil. Throw in the tofu and stir-fry until golden and crispy. Next, add your chopped garlic and ginger and cook for another minute until it smells amazing. Then, chuck in all your beautiful stir-fry veg and keep everything moving for 3 to 4 minutes. Tender but still with crunch. Pour over soy sauce and a tiny bit of sesame oil, then give it one last big toss. Serve it up straight away in a bowl and sprinkle over some sesame seeds. There you have it. A restaurant-quality stir-fry packed with protein and goodness, ready in about 15 minutes flat. Proper tasty. Next on the menu is a salad that will completely change your mind about salads. This isn't your average bowl of limp lettuce. This is the Quinoa Kickstarter salad. An absolute beast of a meal. Packed with texture, flavor, and goodness to keep you powered up for hours. Perfect lunch for the office. Easy to prep ahead. It will stop you reaching for unhealthy snacks mid-afternoon. A proper party in a bowl, healthy and seriously satisfying. Ingredients: quinoa, chickpeas, avocado, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, red onion, parsley or coriander, dressing, lemon, olive oil, salt and pepper. Quinoa, equal sign complex carb and complete protein for slow release energy. Chickpeas add protein and fiber to keep you full. Avocado brings healthy fats for brain and heart. Prepping is a doddle. Cook quinoa. It usually takes about 15 minutes. While it cooks, get everything else ready. Rinse your chickpeas, chop cherry tomatoes, chop cucumber, chop red onion, finely chop fresh herbs. Quinoa should now be cooked and ready. Let it cool for a few minutes so it doesn't wilt the other ingredients. Assembly. Add cooled quinoa to a big bowl, add chickpeas, add chopped veggies and herbs. Whisk lemon juice, olive oil, salt and pepper. Pour the dressing over the salad. Chop avocado. Gently fold avocado into the salad. Mix well. Boom. A beautiful, nutritious and incredibly tasty lunch is ready to go. It's fresh, it's vibrant, and it'll make you feel amazing. Pasta lovers, listen up. This one is for you. Are you craving a big, comforting bowl of pasta but, worried it'll derail your progress? Well, say hello to my zucchini noodle pesto party. We're swapping out heavy pasta for light, fresh zucchini noodles, zoodles. This simple switch slashes the calories and carbs but keeps all the satisfaction. It's a brilliant way to get an extra portion of veg into your day while tricking your brain into thinking you're having a massive pasta feast. It's clever, it's quick, and it is outrageously delicious. The ingredient list is short and sweet, just how we like it. You'll need a couple of fresh zucchinis, a handful of cherry tomatoes, a good quality jar of green pesto, or make your own if you're feeling fancy, and maybe a sprinkle of pine nuts or Parmesan cheese for serving. That's literally it. You can use a spiralizer to make your zucchini noodles, but if you don't have one, don't panic. You can just use a regular vegetable peeler to create long, thin ribbons. The zucchini is super low in calories and full of water and fiber. Pop them in a colander, sprinkle with a little salt and let them sit for about 10 minutes. Then give the zoodles a gentle squeeze and pat them dry. No soggy noodles. Now heat a large non-stick frying pan over a medium heat. You don't even need any oil. Add your zoodles and toss them around for just 1 to 2 minutes. You only want to warm them through. Too long and they go mushy. Take the pan off the heat, add a few generous spoonfuls of pesto and your halved cherry tomatoes, and toss everything together until the zoodles are beautifully coated. Serve it up immediately, topped with a few pine nuts. It's a 10-minute miracle meal. All right, team, let's talk about a meal that is pure brain food and a fat-burning machine. Introducing the Super Salmon and Veggie Rice Bowl. This is one of my all-time favorites because it's so balanced, so colorful, and so incredibly easy to put together. Salmon is an absolute superstar ingredient. It's packed with high-quality protein and those amazing omega-3 fatty acids, heart, brain, mood. This bowl is a complete meal that will leave you feeling properly nourished and satisfied without feeling heavy or bloated. It's a winner for lunch or dinner. So what's in this bowl of goodness? Salmon fillet, skin on or off, your choice. Quick cooked brown rice or a pre-cooked pouch. Broccoli florets, edamame beans, sliced carrots, bell peppers. For extra flavor, grab some soy sauce, a little honey or maple syrup, and some fresh ginger. This combination of lean protein, slow-release carbs, and nutrient-dense veggies is the perfect formula for fat loss and sustained energy. First, get your rice cooking. If you're using a quick cook pouch, pop it in the microwave when you're ready to serve. Pat the salmon dry and season with salt and pepper. Mix soy sauce, a tiny drizzle of honey or maple syrup, and grated ginger for a quick glaze. Brush it over the salmon. Now, get a pan on medium-high heat or preheat your grill. Cook the salmon about 4 to 5 minutes per side until it flakes easily. While it cooks, steam the broccoli and boil edamame until tender crisp. Once everything is cooked, it's time to assemble your masterpiece. Spoon in the brown rice, top with your perfectly cooked salmon, arrange your vibrant green veggies, and drizzle any remaining glaze. Absolutely beautiful. For those days when you just need something warm, comforting, and hearty, this cozy lentil and sweet potato curry crush is the one. It's like a big, warm hug in a bowl, but it's also secretly working hard to help you reach your goals. This curry is completely plant-based. It's incredibly cheap to make. It's bursting with aromatic spices. It's a one-pot wonder. Minimal washing up. Perfect to batch cook on a Sunday for the week ahead. The ingredients are simple, wholesome, and easy to find. You'll need an onion, a couple of cloves of garlic, A big sweet potato, a can of chopped tomatoes, a can of coconut milk. The light version is great. A cup of red lentils and some vegetable stock. For the spices, medium curry powder, a bit of turmeric, and some cumin. The lentils are an amazing source of plant-based protein and fiber. The sweet potato provides complex carbs for energy, plus a load of vitamin A. This curry is a nutritional powerhouse that will keep you full for hours. Ready for the easiest curry you'll ever make? First, finely chop your onion and garlic. Peel and chop the sweet potato into small cubes. Heat a little coconut or olive oil, cook the onion till soft, then add the garlic and all your spices and cook until super fragrant. Next, tip in the sweet potato, the rinsed red lentils, the can of chopped tomatoes and the can of coconut milk. Give it all a really good stir. Finally, pour in enough vegetable stock to just cover everything. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat, pop a lid on and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the lentils are soft and the sweet potato is tender. Serve it up in a big bowl, maybe with a sprinkle of fresh coriander on top. So simple, so comforting, and so good for you. So there you have it. 5 incredible meals that will transform how you think about healthy eating. Veggie and tofu stir-fry, quinoa kickstarter salad, zucchini noodle pesto party, super salmon and veggie rice bowl, lentil and sweet potato curry. What a lineup! Each one is proof you don't have to sacrifice flavor. Look at the variety. Asian-inspired. The stir-fry. Asian-inspired. The salmon bowl. Mediterranean, the zoodle pesto. Mediterranean, the quinoa salad. Hearty spiced warmth, the curry. You can rotate these through your week. The beauty of these recipes is their flexibility. Don't have tofu? Use chicken. Or use prawns. Not a fan of salmon? Try cod or grilled halloumi. Swap the veggies for whatever's in your fridge. These recipes are a blueprint for success. A source of lean protein, a portion of complex carbs, lots of veg, a dose of healthy fats. Once you get this principle, make them your own. This isn't just about 5 recipes, it's a new approach. It empowers you to take control of your health. You now have an arsenal of quick, tasty meals. Prep in advance, cook in minutes, enjoy every bite, fuel your body, energy to smash your workouts, focus at work, feel fantastic in your clothes. So, what are you waiting for? It's time to get in the kitchen and start cooking. We've shown you that eating for weight loss can be quick, colorful, and packed with so much flavor, you'll feel like you're not even on a diet. You're a busy, successful professional, and you deserve to eat food that matches your ambition. Food that fuels your body and mind, helping you perform at your best. These 5 meals are just the beginning of your incredible new journey with food. A journey where you feel in control, energized, and excited about what's on your plate. Remember the key principles we've talked about. Lean protein, tons of colorful veggies, smart carbs, healthy fats, and most importantly, keep it quick and keep it tasty. Don't ever let anyone tell you that healthy food has to be boring. Your journey to getting lean and feeling amazing should be filled with joy, and a huge part of that is loving the food you eat. When you fuel your body with delicious, nutritious meals, you're not just losing weight, you're gaining energy, confidence, and a whole new zest for life. It's a powerful feeling, and you are totally capable of achieving it. Don't put it off until Monday. Start today. Pick one of these recipes that gets you excited and give it a go tonight. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to whip up a meal that's 1,000,000 times better than any takeaway and so much better for you. Get the whole family involved, prep your lunches for the week, and start building those positive habits that will last a lifetime. You have the tools, you have the motivation, and now you have the recipes. The only thing left to do is to get started and prove to yourself how amazing you can feel. You've got this. I am 100% behind you. Every delicious, healthy meal you cook is a step closer to your goal. It's a victory for your health and your happiness. So go on, smash it in the kitchen, smash your workouts, and smash your goals. You are on the path to becoming a leaner, healthier, and happier version of yourself, one quick and tasty meal at a time. Now let's get cooking, you absolute legend. Go on, get in there. Ready to ditch boring meals and eat healthy without stress? Subscribe to SlimSync for more quick, delicious weight loss recipes made for busy professionals.